And today we will see what are the 5 best screen recording softwares, that is third-party software. Okay, and those are fit for YouTubers or YouTuber beginners, or the one who want to record their screen for the commercial purpose. So let's begin with today. We have the 5 best screen recording software here. As you can see, at the first position I have given priority to the OBS Studio. Of course, this is open source free software, and I have given some tags here. You can see the software comes packed with gamer-centric feature. It has a lot of features for especially for gamers who record their screen for gaming purpose, and they can directly stream to Twitch or YouTube or any other streaming website. Even you can record your screen, you can stream, and it is totally completely free open source software. Okay, and this is for Windows as well as Mac. The second one we have here is Movavi Screen Recorder. Okay, so if you're working with the free version, it like when you record your screen, there will be watermark of Movavi Screen Recorder. Okay, and it has a 7-day trial period. You can only capture 2 minutes. Okay, if you exceed more than 2 minutes, or you need to go to upgrade your software. No screenshot feature, no ability to add description or text before YouTube upload. The third one here is Wondershare Filmora Screen Recorder. It's a very beautiful software, but if you go for the free version, okay, you will see the watermark in the video. Okay, the fourth one I have here is actually Bandicam. It's a free version, but it will have some watermark, and you can only record for 10 minutes. Okay, and the last one I have here is iScreen Screen Recorder. It's a free version, but it will only record up to 10 minutes. But I will give you a link from where you can download this iScreen Screen Recorder full version, and it will work completely. I like it very much. I'm using this screen recorder, iScreen one. Okay, so I'll check out the description below, and you will get the download link from there. Thank you. Hope you liked the video, and give a thumbs up. Have a great day.